The latest 4K touch display to be released by Sharp is the PNL Series 2, which is available in a 65, 75 and an 85 inch. As you may be aware, Sharp purchased NEC Display Solutions several years ago, and in this product we begin to see some of the NEC menu settings and the operating system, which is powered by Android. Out of the box we have a Wi-Fi adapter, then you simply connect this to your preferred network. This display supports Android, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, iPad, Chrome and Miracast. It includes 3 HDMI inputs, 1 USB-C and 2 touch interfaces, along with 4 USB hubs for devices such as video conferencing camera, microphone, wireless keyboard and mouse. The whiteboard app is included as part of the home screen. It's very simple, with pen color and thickness options available when you touch the screen with either the end of the pen or your finger. You can save this content directly to the Android operating system. The built-in web browser uses Android 9.0 and is being driven by a powerful quad-core processor with a memory of 4 GB and storage of up to 32 GB. When you walk up to the display, simply touch the screen to bring it to life or insert your preferred cable to your device for instant connectivity. Or you can wirelessly cast to the display using the Bytello app feature. You can cast video content, including audio, and display photos and any other content from your phone or device. The touch panel itself is highly accurate using PrecisionTouch technology with a direct bonded screen. There's 0 air gap or no parallax, and it offers a 20-point touch experience. The display can go into automatic standby after losing signal and uses a minimal power output of 0.5 watts. To restart, simply plug and play your device or touch the screen to power up. For more information, you can visit us at sharp.net.nz. Thank you.